Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can make a game pass on Please Donate in Roblox. So let's jump into the video. This will work for mobile phone and PC both. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. First you have to search Roblox on Google Chrome. Then you have to go through on Roblox website. So here you have to sign in your account of Roblox here. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon and click on desktop side to look like PC. You have to go to on PC mode, and if you are already using a PC, it will do the same. It will work for same. Then you have to click on create. So after clicking on create, what you have to do, you have to click on this option, okay, your place, just like this. You have to click on this three dot bar icon. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner, just like this. After that you have to find a option called passes, just like here. You have to click on this option. Then you can see I have already made a pass. I will show you that how you can make a same option. You have to click on create a pass. Then a window will pop up. What you have to do, you have to click on change to add a logo or picture here. You can add anything here. Then you have to give a name of it, just like this. Please donate. Okay, you can give anything here, and you have to put a description that if someone have donated you, what they will see, just like this. Thanks. So after doing the same thing, what you have to do, you have to click on create pass. So after clicking on create pass, your passes will be created. So what you need to do, you can see the pass is already on off sale. What you have to do to activate it, you have to click on the pass three dot bar icon. Sorry, you have to click on the pass. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then you have to click on sales. Okay, please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. Then you have to turn this option on, item for sale. Then you have to click on it, and you have to put an amount that people will pay you. I'm going to do this option 20, and this will be your earnings. Roblox will take 6 Roblox, and you will take 14. This is the 70% and 30% offer. Then you have to click on save changes. So after doing all these things, what you have to do, you have to go back to your Roblox app. Okay, again you have to go to on your Roblox, and you have to go to on the game, just like this. Okay, after that you can see you have to go to on please donate. So after doing so, you have to click on play. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps I'm going to show you, and please subscribe my channel if it works for you. So after doing so, you have to find a open store that have to claim. This is unclaimed. What you have to do, you have to go to the store and you have to tap here, and your passes will be added on the store. So hope you enjoyed it guys, and if it helped you, please leave a like on this video and comment here. So please subscribe my channel and follow my channel. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.